This is a brief tutorial for students in the summer 2023 session for MEDO 119 to navigate to the Davis Drug Guide information in the Nursing Reference Center Plus database. So I am going to start from your course modules page, and you will find there's a couple of ways to navigate to the link. So just briefly down the page, so you've got your textbook and then the course information, and then you'll find the module for access to Davis Drug Guide via the Nursing Reference Center Plus. Now this first link is just a direct link that will take you there, so you don't need to go any further once you know what you're doing. But you will also find that I have a page of instructions here that walk you through step by step how to do what I'm going to show you in this video tutorial here as well, that you'll be able to just see for a quick refresher without having to watch the video again, how to get back to where you were. So again, I've got the link embedded here, and then you'll see how to get started here in just a moment, which I'll demonstrate. But once you open up the database, you'll select the drugs tab, and then you'll be able to run your search from there. But I'll demonstrate that here in just a moment. So again, you can either link from the link that's provided directly under the module, or from this page you'll be able to get back there. Now, if you're off campus, which probably will be the case in most instances, you will be prompted to log in here. I'm on campus, so it took me right in. But to log in from home or anywhere else off campus, you'll be prompted to select if you're a student or faculty staff. So you'll select student, and then you will log in using your username. That's going to be the initial number combination that they give you, AF345 for example, and then your password is always going to be the 3 letters ICC all capitalized and the last 5 digits of your social security number. So again, that's the 3 letters ICC all capitalized, and the last 5 digits of your social security number will be your password. If for some reason that doesn't work, you may need to have your password reset. But before you do that, there's one other thing to troubleshoot, and that is it may just be that your browser cache needs to be cleared if you had a previous bad login attempt. So you can try to log in using this process in a private or an incognito browser session. If it works there, you'll just need to go into your browser history cache and clear that, and then it should allow you to log in and reset everything. But if that still doesn't work, then you probably do need to have a password reset, and the fastest way to do that is to call the service desk directly at 309-694-5457. Once you are in Nursing Reference Center Plus, how to access the Davis Drug Guide information. So unfortunately, there's no good way to directly link to just the ebook content. It's just embedded in the database, and you have to search for it right now. So once you are in, you should see this interface, and the first thing you want to do is click on the Drugs tab here above the search box. From there, you can type in the name of any drug. I'm just going to demonstrate with Zyrtec here, and then run your search. And you'll get probably several hits on suggestions, but it will tell you what the source for that particular listing comes from. So you'll see this one says it's Davis's Drug Guide. This one says the HFS Drug Information Essentials. So if you're expected to get information from the Davis's Drug Guide, you'll want to make sure that your listing is one that has this Davis's Drug Guide for nurses listed here. And then you'll click on the entry, and you will be able to get all the relevant information from here in the entry page. So you will be able to see its scientific name as well as its commercial name. You will also see indications, which is what it will be diagnosed for. It'll give you side effects, interactions, typical dosages, how it's available, the forms in which it's available. as well as patient education and what the desired outcome for the treatment with the medication would be. So this gives you a really quick snapshot of how to get to the Davis Drug Guide Information and Nursing Reference Center Plus. So again, you have the kind of step-by-step instructions just via image that are be available in the module. But then this video will also be made available to you in the module as well. So thank you. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us in the library at icc.edu/library. And we have a live chat interface. That's probably the best way to get immediate help with the library. And that you will be able to interact with an ICC librarian until 4:30 p.m. Monday through Thursday and 2 p.m. on Friday. And we do not have weekend hours at present, but there is a 24/7 answering service where you can still get assistance from professional librarians that should be able to point you in the direction of how to get to this information if you need to get a hold of us that way. So good luck, and again, please do not hesitate to reach out to us in the library if you do need further assistance. Thank you.